Assalamualaikum, Bismillahir Rahmanir. Hi good people, this is MD MAHSIN UL ISLAM and welcome to the HTML and CSS tutorial. This is project based course before we deep dive into awesome world of web development. Let me go over the course structure and probably more importantly why the course is structured that way. The main focus of the course is to cover most aspects of HTML and CSS. Now we need to be realistic, so there is no course in the world that covers everything, since when it comes to web development, essentially learning never stops. So the main purpose of the course is to get you comfortable with the HTML and CSS, what you understand the general syntax and are comfortable building your own project. The problem is there is no way for me to evaluate how far in the web world are you currently, and maybe there is your first experience with the HTML and CSS, or you maybe already know HTML and just want to get better at CSS or Flexbox and Grid. Okay, what I am trying to say, since course has multiple tutorials, you will need to pick your own starting point that is most comfortable for you. Let's say if you are a beginner, you would start with the very first videos about the HTML. If you already know the HTML, you would jump straight to CSS and hopefully you get the point. Like I said before, course will be hands-on and project based. Since personally slides put me to sleep, with that being said, slides are not all bad and we'll use them to get specific points across easily. You will see more slides in the beginning of the course and less slides as the course moves along. If you are starting the course from the very beginning, please be prepared to switch focus points a few times since I have to cover multiple things at the same time and they will depend on one another. For example, in order to start working with HTML, we're going to have to download and install the text editor and browser first. That could be Visual Studio Code as editor and Chrome or Firefox as a browser. Last but not least, during the course I will show you useful external references, but it is not because I am lazy to talk about the topics myself. You see, as a web developer, you will search daily for information online, whether that is because you forgot how to do something or you are trying to learn something new. And by the way, there is nothing wrong with looking up stuff online. No one expects you to remember everything, and having the best resources will save your time tremendously. Okay, enough talks. Let's get started.